In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, where the sun kisses the sea and reggae rhythms fill the air, a mysterious legend whispers through the islands. It's the tale of the Magic Kite, a shimmering, colorful kite said to possess a special power. When flown, it brings boundless happiness to everyone nearby. One bright morning, a young girl named Trisha found an unusual kite tangled in the coral trees. Its fabric shimmered with iridescent hues, and strange symbols danced across its surface. Curious and excited, she took it to the beach and launched it high into the sky. As the kite ascended, a gentle glow radiated from its tail, casting a warm, golden light over the island. People paused their daily routines, drawn by the enchanting sight. Children's laughter grew louder, elders' faces softened with smiles, and even the clouds seemed to drift in harmony with the kite's rhythm. Suddenly, the sky sparkled as tiny, glittering particles fell like rain, infusing the island with pure joy. The Magic Kite was alive with ancient, mystical energy, an artifact from a time when the islands thrived in harmony with nature and magic. From that day, whenever the kite was flown, happiness blossomed across Jamaica. It became a symbol of hope and unity, reminding everyone that sometimes a little magic and a lot of heart can brighten even the gloomiest days. And so, the legend of the Magic Kite soared on, a timeless beacon of joy for generations to come.